this nut on here, it's quite damaged actually. I don't know what someone's done to this. Let's hope that we can get it off nice and easily. But first of all, it's got a retaining washer. It looks like it's been beaten to death. So first thing to do is try and knock that back out the way. Okay, it's got a kind of hammer and big screwdriver here. See if we can lock the wheel so the engine doesn't move. See what we can do here. Okay, that's that side done, but I need to do the other side. And to do that, I'm going to carefully rotate the engine. Most of that oil's coming out. Let's see if I can get this side off. we go. Okay, so now I need to see whether an actual socket will fit on there before trying to remove it. There's a 32 socket, and yes, it fits on nicely. And here we have a very powerful socket gun. Not powerful enough to move this by the looks of it. Always helps when you have the gun going the right way, doesn't it? Unbelievable. Well, I think we can safely say that I'm going to try and replace all three of those parts when it comes to the rebuild. Now this should just pull off there, lovely, which it does.